Hello everyone. In this video, I will be sharing another US FDA new drug approval update. On June 26, 2026, the US FDA approved an injectable monoclonal antibody Veligrotug-vvze, brand name LUMVOA, for the treatment of thyroid eye disease, regardless of thyroid eye disease activity or duration. Now, let's dive into this medication in more detail. Veligrotug-vvze, brand name LUMVOA. This medication was approved by the US FDA on June 26, 2026, and indicated for the treatment of thyroid eye disease or TED, regardless of thyroid eye disease activity or duration. TED, also known as Graves' eye disease, is a progressive autoimmune disease characterized by the tissue inflammation, growth, and damage around and behind the eyes. Notably, the LUMVOA represents the second approval from this drug class for treating thyroid eye disease. Tepezza was approved as a first-in-class for treating the same indication back in January 2020. Tepezza is administered every 3 weeks but requires a total of 8 infusions. This new drug approval expands TED treatment landscape with 3 fewer RV infusions and shorter therapy course from 21 weeks for Tepezza to 12 weeks to LUMVOA. Chemically, LUMVOA is a humanized immune globulin G1 (IgG1) kappa monoclonal antibody. The molecular weight is approximately 150 kilodalton. This medication is available as 500 mg per 10 ml, which is 50 mg per 1 ml solution in a single-dose vial for intravenous use. Recommended dosage is patient's weight-based dosing, 10 mg per kilogram intravenous infusion over 30 to 45 minutes every 3 weeks for a total of 5 infusions. Further, given this is a protein product monoclonal antibody, LUMVOA needs to be stored in a refrigerator at 36 to 46 Fahrenheit, which is 2 to 8 Celsius in original carton to protect from light until time of use. Do not freeze, do not shake. Mechanistically, this medication works as a insulin-like growth factor 1 receptor (IGF-1R) inhibitor. IGF-1R is a key driver and underlying mechanism implicated in the inflammatory and tissue remodeling process in TED. Therefore, inhibiting ligand-induced receptor autophosphorylation would block IGF-1R signaling downstream pathway, including high urine production and inflammatory cytokine production, though the exact mechanism of action related to TED hasn't been fully elucidated. Pharmacokinetically, the mean central and peripheral volume of distribution of Veligrotug were 2.8 liters and 2.5 liters respectively. Half-life is approximately 18 days, justifying once every 3 weeks dosing. Metabolism, similar to endogenous immunoglobulin G, Veligrotug is expected to be metabolized via proteinolysis. Drug-drug interactions. No studies evaluating the drug interaction potential of LUMVOA has been conducted. Contraindications. Currently, there are no contraindications listed on the prescribing information. The most common adverse reactions, greater than or equal to 5%, include muscle spasm, headache, hearing impairment, hyperglycemia, fatigue, diarrhea, ear discomfort, infusion-related reaction, nausea, nasopharyngitis, blood creatine phosphor kinase increased, dry skin, and hypertension. Here are the key sources which I have used to prepare for today's video. The US FDA New Drug Approval Updates for 2026 is a very valuable resource. In addition, most of the medication information which I shared today is based on LUMVOA prescribing information. This document is available at the US FDA drug website, along with the drug manufacturer website. Finally, I want to thank you all so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, subscribe for future medication video updates. As always, keep learning and elevating. Thank you so much.